Hi, welcome back to my channel, and we are redoing the personalized picture frame. Didn't like the outcome of the last one, so here we are again. This is everything I used, so let's get started. First, heading over to creativefabrica.com. In case you didn't see my last video, I'll just go over this bit. Downloading the design, extracting all from the zip file, deleting that original zip file. I didn't do this last time, so this is a new step. Heading over to canva.com, and we are cutting the design in half where you could only see the words, because I wanted to have the words on one mat and the face on another. After cutting, I am going to download as a PNG and upload that to Cricut Design Space. Then I am heading over to Cricut Design Space, and I am changing the size so that it can fit on my mat, which is 12 by 12, sending that to cut. Next, for the other part, I am uploading my design to Cricut Design Space as an SVG, customizing the size so it will fit on my mat, and then I am removing the words. The reason why I changed the color of my design, well, half of the design, is in case I left out any words when deleting. I just wanted to make sure that everything I need will be on one mat. And then sending that to cut. Next, I will be weeding. First the black and then the green, which is the color I chose for my face. This time it was easier to weed because we didn't have that entire design, but it was cut in half. Because I use SVG, the eyebrows was not in the correct position. Now with the transfer tape, trying the taco technique, which is folding the middle of the transfer tape, sticking that down, and then sticking both sides. Removing the transfer tape, and now I am going to place it on the glass. Again, the glass was wiped with rubbing alcohol to remove fingerprints and any residue from tape or dust. Now removing the transfer tape. still have some learning to do about getting bubbles out and transferring the vinyl with the least amount of bubbles possible. As you can see, I am struggling a little. Now doing the same for the posts, using transfer tape to remove from the backing of the vinyl and then transferring to the glass. Also to note, this time I did not mirror the design, but I still believe that mirroring is a good idea because the design will be inside and of the frame so that it will not get damaged. If anyone touches, it will not lift. Over time it will stay and look as new as it does on the first day. My sizing was off, so I had to cut off the last coat and stick it higher up. Now it's time to add everything back into the picture frame. Again, I am using the original paper that came in the picture frame. I'm just flipping it around so that you can just see the white. That way it will be the perfect size. And there we go. Less bubbles, everything fit easily, and I love it. So let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Thanks for watching.